When you are creating a product where you know there's a need, but you don't know how to solve it, you do it a little bit differently where you fall in love with the problem first before you come up with a solution.
Power Pages is really meant for large business enterprises. Those enterprises don't have necessarily the time to sit down and have somebody come in and develop a website that takes months and months and months. And by the time they get it stood up, we've already evolved because the business needs and demands and technology has evolved.
It was a capability that was already existing within Power Apps. So there was a small team that was already in place in Bangalore.
We were all centered around building the product. But then I think Sangya asked us the right questions.
I was brought in to think about how do you take that capability and launch it.
We went in, we started co-creating with our customers and the people who were using the product. So that sort of created a magical start to set the vision of Power Pages.
Power Pages' underlying belief system would be the fact we're very design-led, but design-led doesn't mean just the design team.
It's a very different type of style. Design, engineering, and product management are somewhat tied at the hip, delivering together.
The inclusive nature, being open to other viewpoints, being collaborative, but also being able to speak up, disagree, iterate, change, grow.
The only way to know the grand truth is to actually come together and understand the user in the full context, have the discussion. And when we come in and we look at those research reports, we all put our badges down.
One of the things that really struck me about the Power Pages team was just how willing everyone was to engage with research. If anything, people were demanding more and more and more research or further things that we could study or pursue.
We're just there to truly, with curiosity, trying to learn what the user is going through.
We call it human-centered design. It's continually having empathy for our customer and understanding their pain today and how we can make it better for them.
To make a feature really happen, I have to have the data, is the brain, and I have to have the emotion, which is the heart. I've observed it, I've experienced them struggling with this, and I have that empathy now to be able to bring those two together.
Customer promises are a little bit more about the ephemeral, am I enjoying myself using this product? Does it make me feel like I have total control? Is it beautiful? Not merely aesthetically appropriate for Microsoft, but is it beautiful?
It's also about the practicality, the ease of use, the intuitiveness of the experiences that matter. So we try to live the product day in and day out to just keep ourselves immersed in that feedback.
The maker has the ability to customize the experience exactly how they need to. And therefore, you can have that empathetic connection with your customers, building the right type of solution.
What really blows my mind is going into the summer, we saw that we had over 100 million monthly active users for this product. Now, that was a number that we dreamed of hitting maybe months from now, but we hit it within 2 to 3 months.
I think this is where Power Pages really came to shine because you don't have months, you don't have years to develop a solution. You need a solution yesterday. And so many of our customers and partners go from like talking about this pain problem, getting a prototype up within a week, maximum a couple of weeks, and being live and available to everyone within 3 weeks. That's powerful.
It rarely happens that you get to work on a product that has an amazing sense of purpose. That's all about democratizing something that was just reserved for very few of us and enabling everybody to come in and create solutions to help the world. I feel very blessed that we are at this point in time.